Copy trading in 2026 is revolutionizing how beginners earn money. Imagine following expert traders without doing all the hard work. In this guide, we'll show you how to profit through copy trading using Luma Exchange. Many beginners fail because they mimic professional traders. Copy trading eliminates this issue by letting you follow experienced traders automatically. You learn strategies in real time, making it highly accessible. Choosing the right platform is crucial. A good strategy on the wrong platform can fail. Luma Exchange is legit and user-friendly. It offers transparency and speed, protecting you as a beginner. That's why it's a top choice for binary and copy trading. Let's break down how beginners can make money with copy trading. First, select consistent, low-risk traders to copy. Next, establish daily risk limits to protect your capital. Allow your trades to copy automatically, saving you time. Focus on steady growth rather than chasing quick gains. Following this simple plan, copy trading becomes a viable profit source. Even with small amounts, binary and copy trading are evolving. They're moving towards smarter systems and automation. Platforms like Luma Exchange lead this change, making trading safer and more profitable for newcomers in 2026. Many beginners make common mistakes. They often chase high-risk traders or ignore key data. Over-investing too soon can be disastrous. Successful copy traders are disciplined and rely on data, not emotion. If you're a complete beginner wanting to profit through copy trading, check out Luma Exchange. Follow the same techniques that helped me succeed with crypto. Right finger, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more tutorials and strategies on binary and copy trading.